Hi everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, Asperia here, and as I promised you, we shall be also having videos on farming. So these are our birds that I've been posting since they were day one. Right now they are big girls. So come with me as we give them food, we give them water. Let's just have fun in their house. If you haven't yet subscribed, please tap that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And also you can like our videos and leave comments for us. It helps the channel to grow, also to give us that morale to do other videos, knowing that someone out there enjoys them. So each drinker here has 10 liters, and I always put like 7 liters, and these birds consume they almost finish 20 liters per day, which is not really bad. And they are growing at a normal rate. They got sick, we treated, we vaccinated. Like you saw previously, we had vaccination against foulpox, and some of the birds already had got foulpox. We had isolated, treated, and they were fine. So we are trying. As I told you, we aren't experts. I'm not even, it's my first time doing this project. And as you see in that video, I started with very few birds that can help me learn. This house is very big, but it is partitioned into two. So in the next house, there are also birds there. So we started with these ones, and I'm telling you, we are progressing steadily. We haven't registered a lot of deaths. We only lost like 2 birds due to a bad respiratory disease, which we don't really recognize, but it was very deadly, like I shared down in previous videos. So I encourage you, if you want to start your dream, just start, because there is no day that you will have no fear. Fears will come and discouragements, but man, you have to wake up and start. So these birds are almost weighing 1 kilogram, and we are told that if they feed well and they treated well, by 4 months, that is about 20 weeks, they will be starting to lay eggs. And we are observing, and we shall be updating you guys. Apparently they are 8 weeks, that is approximately 2 months, and they really look nice. So after giving them water, I remove the feeders and I take them out. That basin is specifically for those birds, and everything in there is disinfected. So after cleaning them, I go to the store where we keep the food and put the food in the feeders, and give the birds. So each feeder also has about 10 kilograms, and because sometimes I really do not want to be all over the house, I put enough food for them so it can take some time in the house. But we shall start measuring the feeds very soon as they grow, and we are observing them. So keep watching, tap that like button, leave a comment for us about how do you see our birds, and how do you feel about this new project, and what are your fears, like why do you fear to do poultry, etc. Let's learn from each other. Thank you so much. See you again in the next video.